Spark plug removal and installation. Spark plug installer and removal tool. Notice: using 10 mm socket spanner, remove the ignition coil mounting bolts. Remove the ignition coil. Notice: using a MST spark plug installer tool, loosen and remove spark plugs from cylinder head. Caution: refit the new spark plugs and torque tighten them to the specified value. Torque 20 to 25 Newton meters. Refit the ignition coil. Refit the ignition coil mounting bolts. Torque 10 to 12 Newton meter. Caution: notice: